In addition to avocado salsa, mango salsa is another well-known dish in Mexico. Salsa in Spanish means sauce, so you may use the salsa to flavor or pair a variety of dishes, or eat it as a salad like I would. Today, I'm going to show you a slightly different version. To make the salsa, mango is a must for this recipe, but you also need some papaya, which idea is also inspired by the El Cholo's cookbook, the well-known Mexican restaurant based in LA. Other than that, 2 red peppers. Here I use local type, but you can replace them with the red bell pepper. 2 big slices of onion, 1 or 2 limes depending on the juiciness, and a couple of stalks of cilantro. Of course, salt and black pepper. Now let's process fruits and vegetables. First, dice the onion. Then the red bell pepper. Cut off both ends for easy management. Slit one side open, then get rid of the seeds. Peel off the white pit. And the rest you already know. Dice into small cubes. Next, the mango. My tip is to use a ripe but slightly underripe mango, which is less sweet and will not make the salsa mushy. Another reason is it's easier to peel off the skin. After that, cut off the flesh around the core. Slice into equal thickness. And dice into small cubes. For the papaya, also peel off the skin. Cut in half and scoop out the seeds. My papaya is way too big than the mango, so I'll only use half of it. I find adding papaya to the mango salsa is a brilliant idea, as it not only adds texture, but also tones down the sweetness of the mango. Then the same thing, dice into small cubes, about the same size as the mango. Lastly, the cilantro. I love cilantro, so if it looks too much to your taste, use less. Separate cilantro into 2 parts and chop both of them, and that's everything you need. Now, in a big mixing bowl, add diced mango, papaya, red bell pepper, onion, and chopped cilantro, the stem part only. Add the salt and pepper, and squeeze in lime juice. Then shake, shake, shake. And shake to mix all the ingredients well. And that's it. If you tend to eat it as a salad on its own, transfer it to a serving bowl. Serve with chopped cilantro leaves on top. There you are, the refreshing, sweet, and sour mango salsa. Now there are many ways to consume the salsa, but one of my favorite ways is to pair it with a pan-seared duck breast. In my opinion, not only the flavors come together well, but also the cooking itself is straightforward. In another word, no chore. Regarding the duck breast, this episode isn't about how to cook the protein, rather a way of pairing. After resting, slicing the duck breast, place them on a plate, side with the mango salsa. Drizzle the breast with some reduced mango sauce. Add some black pepper, and the pairing is done. Pretty, isn't it? Duck meat, if you're familiar, has the signature gamy flavor. The sweet, sour, fruity, and slightly herby taste of the salsa goes very well with the duck flavor. And in turn, the duck flavor complements mango salsa. To me, it's a perfect combination.